A supervisor analyzed the total number of sales of his 8 salesmen for the month of December of last year. What was the standard deviation of the number of sales for the 8 salesmen? Okay, here we are told to calculate the standard deviation of 8 quantities, 8 numbers. Okay, but the first statement actually only guarantees that the least value is equal to the median. Okay, so this is not enough to affirm that all the values are the same. You could have something like this. For example, you could have 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 values, the 2 of them are the same, so your median is 5, and the median is the same as the least value. Okay, it's necessary then for the least value through all the values up to the median to be the same, but that leaves out of the question the values to the right of the median. You can actually control their value. It could be anything, the same or greater than. So here the deviation is not defined, and so it's not sufficient. But on the second statement, each of the 8 salesmen made the same number of sales on December of last year. This means that all the values, the 8 sales amounts, are equal to one another. So all values the same means the standard deviation is 0. So you have a unique value for an answer. The answer choice is B. All right. So remember, questions where they ask you the standard deviation of all the elements in a set, remember that unless you know what the specific value is, you cannot calculate the standard deviation. Otherwise, they should tell you that all the values are the same, so the deviation is 0.